Welcome to Tesla Roadside Assistance. Tesla Roadside Assistance provides 24/7 support for Tesla vehicle owners. This service covers breakdowns, flat tires, dead batteries, towing, and jump starts. Unlike traditional services, it's tailored for EVs, excluding fuel-related issues. Here are examples of situations Tesla Roadside Assistance can help with. This video will cover exactly how to contact them when you need help. For immediate emergencies, you can call Tesla Roadside Assistance directly. The service operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, connecting you to Tesla's trained service team who can dispatch roadside help or escalate issues to mobile technicians. In the United States, the Roadside Assistance phone number is 1-877-798-3752. For Canada, call 1-800-613-8840. For other regions around the world, visit tesla.com to find local numbers and access multilingual support options. Keep in mind that while the Tesla app is often faster for routine assistance and allows for features like real-time diagnostics, phone support remains essential for situations where you can't access the app or need immediate verbal guidance. If your Tesla vehicle is still operational, you can use the in-vehicle touchscreen to contact roadside assistance directly. This method is particularly helpful when you have limited cell phone service or simply prefer to communicate through the car's interface. Navigate to the Service or Assistance menu on your touchscreen, where you'll find the Roadside Assistance option. Tap to initiate contact with Tesla's support team. This direct connection is especially useful in areas with poor cellular coverage, as it uses the vehicle's built-in communication systems. You can also use this method if you find it more convenient than using your phone or the app. Once connected, the vehicle will automatically transmit important diagnostic information, including your current location, battery status, and any error codes. This helps Tesla's team provide faster and more accurate assistance. When contacting Tesla Roadside Assistance, always have your vehicle identification number, or VIN, ready. This 17-character code is unique to your Tesla vehicle and helps the service team identify your specific model and configuration. Also provide your current location, either as a street address or GPS coordinates in decimal degrees or degrees, minutes, seconds format. This allows for precise dispatch of the nearest service technician. Having both your VIN and accurate location ready ensures the fastest and most accurate response from Tesla Roadside Assistance. When contacting Tesla Roadside Assistance, clearly describe the problem you're experiencing, such as flat tire on Model 3 or battery malfunction. Include any error codes displayed on your Tesla's screen. Providing as much detail as possible helps the Tesla team diagnose the problem quickly. Tesla Roadside Assistance is typically available for vehicles under warranty or with an active service plan, like Tesla Care or Tesla Care Plus. If your vehicle is out of warranty, you might need a subscription to access these services. Check your Tesla account for coverage details. Tesla is leading the evolution of roadside assistance with AI-driven predictive capabilities. Using data from vehicle telematics, the system can anticipate potential issues like tire pressure drops or battery concerns, sending proactive alerts to owners before breakdowns occur. Over-the-air updates play a crucial role in preventive maintenance. Tesla can remotely deploy firmware updates that address software bugs or enhance vehicle diagnostics, resolving up to 40% of potential issues before they require physical assistance. As full self-driving technology advances, future Tesla vehicles could autonomously navigate to the nearest service center when issues arise. This would dramatically reduce response times and eliminate the need for towing in many cases. Tesla is developing virtual roadside features that use advanced diagnostics to resolve problems remotely. Through real-time video feeds and AI analysis via the app, technicians can guide owners or even fix software-related issues without dispatching a service vehicle. These innovations collectively aim to minimize vehicle downtime and enhance the overall ownership experience. By 2028, experts predict that autonomous navigation and virtual diagnostics will make traditional roadside breakdowns increasingly rare.